This is what it looks like from the outside. And the street area. This is Magsasa Extension. There, and that leads on into town right there. All right, we're going into...
You can take your slippers inside.
I can?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take my slippers inside.
It's
All right.
still, no, dirty.
So, this is going to be a commercial property. And that, I'll show you the outside. But it's a big place. Nice stairwell right there, going on up to upstairs. We'll show you the upstairs in a bit. Okay. And then you have this area right here for kitchen. You got some guys, you got the CR, which they call the bathroom, right there. Has a regular there. Good. And then they're working back here, what they call the dirty kitchen. This is on a main street. So you have good access to anywhere. There's your kitchen, little cabinet. Looking outside there. They're working on remodeling this, getting it ready. So if you're wanting a nice place to rent, start a business, okay, let's go on upstairs. So you could start your business downstairs. And that's a pretty big room right here. Has built-in closet right there. Don't you love the orange? Yeah. So you can live up here. Put in, it has a cage for air conditioner, and they have the plug right there. Let's go look at the front one. You have a CR up here. Oh, it's bigger. There you go. A little rusted. And room back here. You got a window in the CR. There, your light. And then here's the front room. Again, they have built-in cabinet. Let's check it out. Oh, wow, big. So I'm sure the other one's the same. Nice built-in cabinet there. Yeah. And then you have space for another window air conditioner. You probably get a pretty good breeze being up here. So let's open it up. This is the door. Yeah. Get some air flowing up here. You got a nice little patio out here. Oh, just sit out here. Be good. So that's the patio area. Go ahead and shut it and I'll lock it. There's that stairwell again. Big area up here. Pretty tall ceilings too. Let's look at that again. There. 6, 7. Yeah. So maybe about a 9-foot ceiling. That would be good. Okay, so let's go down this way. There's your power. You're tall like me, you have to duck right there. But it's a lot cooler down here.